morning. It's like, what time is it? I don't know. It's like 7 something a.m. 7:30, and we are on the way. First I have to play tennis, but then we're on the way to get the iPad Pro with the pencil. I just wanted to vlog the process of reaching it. I will get back to you soon once it's in my hands. I'm supposed to be alert and watch in case someone comes and robs us, because we're in like an unsafe area, but
I'm not. I'm just gonna vlog.
Vlogging with people is a problem because I still need to maintain my confidence because I haven't like fully grasped that yet. Like usually I don't care, but this is for like, this is going online and everyone's gonna see it, so it's like, you know, you have to get it right. We've made it to the club. Okay, honestly here I feel super judged because like I don't know any of these people and I rarely come to this club. But yeah, I'm gonna go find a court, but I will stop down. Back. As you can see, I'm not doing well. I just played really badly and lost to my dad pretty badly. Like I got like 2 points out of 7 and he got all 7. I didn't get any serves in except for like 2, maybe out of like 100. So yeah, pretty bad. Also look at this. Okay, so I'm home and I have a lot of shit to do. I wish I could like put this somewhere like that. I'm scared of putting my phone here. This is like on top of the sink. There's a stand thing. So I put it there. And it like, I was watching a David Dobrik interview. While I was watching and I was brushing my teeth, and I looked away and it slipped down and almost literally my speaker was this away from going into the sink. It's like, so like, and the sink was like open. So imagine if my speaker had gotten like wet and I'd like ruined my phone sound, and this is all I have for you guys to vlog on. I don't have a vlogging camera. This is literally it, and it's my phone obviously, and it's hella expensive. So that happened. Did I show you guys what I have to do? Yeah, so I have to basically clean these like drawers out. Like I've cleaned them. I just need to sort my notebooks and my stationery in each, which will take a while. But yeah, I'm really gross and sweaty right now, so I will go and shower and I'll see you. 3, 2, 1, I'll be back. Okay, now we're ready to clean. Okay, I'm sorry, the lighting is really bad. Have you noticed that these, if anyone owns these, don't they like overstretch? Like if I've tied a ponytail, okay, and so let's say I'm running around, jumping around. I jump around, run around a lot, like I'm crazy. And slowly my hair looks like this.
That's not a look.
But this one also doesn't tangle my hair, which is why I like it. Because you know the squiggly shit, like my hair goes through it. Okay. I'm just gonna try and sift through this and I'll be back. Let's fast forward while I'm cleaning. It is time. I don't know about you, but I'm hella excited. I'm talking really loudly because I don't have a mic and stuff like that, and my phone's kind of far away, but we're gonna have to work with it. This obviously is your pencil, your Apple Pencil. I'm super excited. Like this is some bougie ass stuff, guys. Now, I don't know if this is the right angle. Maybe, okay, we'll have to work with it. I'll come near the camera and show you if I need to. Let's start. How do I do this? I'm not good at this. Okay. I'm not going to do that aesthetically because that's just not who I am, like, unfortunately. If you came here for, like, some ASMR type of bullshit. Oh, I found the tag sticker thing. Woo! Okay, guys, let's try some ASMR. I'm kidding. I'm going to keep talking, but okay, that's it. Oh my god, it's happening. Holy shit, guys, it's happening. I'm freaking out. I don't know about you, but I'm freaking out. Okay, let's give you the... I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. Okay, back to the... Oh my god, the box at the back has this like beautiful design of the iPad. Like they have wowed me before I've even opened it. How is that possible? Okay, let's just like get a like close up of the box. Let's box montage. Okay, now that you've seen the box montage, It's time. Drum roll, please. Okay, there's another sticky thing here. Let's just try and. Oh my god, that is beautiful.
Did you guys see that?
Okay, now the plastic is coming off. I'll show you from this one. Holy shit, this is the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. Do you not agree?
After Justin Bieber.
Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay, now we're gonna actually unbox it. Are you ready? I'm gonna just lift the shit out. Why am I shooting an unboxing video when I don't even know how to unbox? I'm so bad at this.
Okay, what if it falls out?
Should I ultify it? I don't understand. Just come and help me if you want to. 20 hours later. I think I got it. Fizza didn't come in the vlog to help me. Oh, guys, I'm freaking out. This is what it looks like. I'm holding it so it doesn't fall out. There's this plastic layer on the top, and it's like really pretty. This is really cool. Okay. Oh my god, it's happening. It's the size of a laptop. I know I'm freaking out too much, but it's so pretty. Look at how thin it is. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, the camera. Oh, I'm already breaking. Let's talk about it for a second. This is 256 GB. I know it's stressing you out that I'm holding it. I'm holding like this. It's 256 GB and it's space gray, as you can clearly tell, and it's, I don't know, 12 point something inches, the bigger one. I'm scared. I don't want you guys to think I'm like treating it badly. I'm just trying my. Oh my god. Oh my word. That was the most majestic thing
I have seen in my life.
I'm already spitting on it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, are you ready for the screen? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know how to take care of something so beautiful. I have an iPad montage for a second. Let's move on to her. Okay, I don't want to do a montage for this. I'm way too tired. Let's just look at it. Okay, nice, obviously aesthetic white, typical Apple casing, very beautiful. This is what it looks like. They have a nice like graphic picture of the pencils. Again, the sticky thing is here. I'm gonna slowly peel it off for you guys. Majestic, majestic. Okay, now that we've done that, it's time to open it up. Oh, is it a box again? Wow, now it's gonna take another 50 hours. No, there's another sticky thing here. Allah tera shukr hai. Okay. Oh, it's a pull-out thing. Okay, now we're gonna. Oh, okay. I should show this somehow. It's gonna fall out. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how to unbox. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Do you see that? Do you see that? Shit. Okay. Again, there is a plastic thing on it. You can see there, right there. So I don't want to pull that off just as yet because I'm not going to use this right now. And I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. But it's so beautiful. Okay, can we have a pencil montage? That is all for the unboxing with my two children. I hope you enjoyed that. I don't think this is the end of the vlog. Let's go to the next clip. Forward to when I'm having fun with my friends. Hello.
Yo, we're going to Esquire's.
Okay, so now we have to go and try coffee. Lava. we taught you how to make iced coffee. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to call a waiter. Miss. This is all I'm having. Yeah. Now at Sana's house, having a good time. There's some good chicken nuggets here. This is my Habib.
Hello.
That's Sana. She's not very good at showing emotion, but she tries her best. We are trying to get this thing to work, but Sana doesn't know how to use the TV in her own house, so it's kind of rough.
Just came. The fire stick just came. I don't know how to use it.
What the hell is a fire stick is my question. Well, we'll try to get this figured out. What are you doing to your food?
I don't know. I'm trying to eat.
47 hours later. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like
And subscribe and comment down below.
that's the tea. Good night. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.